it, Ray! What the hell are you doing? What are you stopping for?
Where the hell? I'm in the ambulance.
No shit, genius. We got a head trauma in the back and the ER is that way. Eyes on the city, Ray. Come on, let's go.
I'm Ray? I'm Ray.
Come on, Ray. Gas pedal's the one on the right.
Yeah, okay. I got this. Partner, where to? What the hell is happening to me?
You're an overworked ambulance driver, and it's called stress. Any more dumb questions?
Yeah. How the hell did I get here?
Just do what you've done for the past 8 years, and we can discuss the birds and the bees later.
Out of those, I'd say the chop shop about 3 blocks from here. You remember the one, right? If Jericho's gonna show up anywhere, it's probably...
Jones? Jones!
What?
It's me. I'm back.
What? Back from where, man?
Forget it. I'm fine, really.
Wait, you sure? That was a big hit we took back there. Maybe we should get you checked out.
Nah. What were you saying just now? About the chop shop? You're right. That's the best lead we've got.
Hell, it's the only lead we got.
Jones, have you ever had an out-of-body experience?
You been eating moldy waffles again? I told you about cleaning out your fridge.
Hey, we agreed never to mention what happened on Weird Tuesday. You promised.
No, I think I preferred you all glassy-eyed and quiet.
Okay, just forget it. You see that sign? Do it, Tanner?
Man, that billboard's been there for years.
Oh, this is too freaking weird. Okay, I'm gonna try it again.
Try what?
Believe me, I'm not sure myself, but here goes. How am I up here? Oh my god. I'm not falling. I gotta get down. Okay, focus. There. I'm good.